One of the most important parenting skills is being quiet while the baby's asleep.
And each of you will do a noise challenge. Whoever makes the most amount of noise will be eliminated.
You're going down. I am so good at being quiet. Shh. Get off me.
For your activity, you have to eat this baby food.
That sounds terrible.
Exactly. Try not to make any noise. Good luck.
Let's get this over with. Oh.
Oh wait, he's actually eating it. Oh, how's he doing that?
He's so committed. It's kind of making me blush.
Honestly, tastes pretty good. Anything to be a good dad.
Wow,